This episode tackles a common problem gamers face, a creaky mechanical keyboard that distracts from play. Viewers will learn to unplug, ground themselves, and assemble a toolkit including a keycap puller, a precision screwdriver, and a small flashlight. After removing keycaps in the top cover, they identify loose stabilizers or worn switches and reseat or swap them with compatible parts. They test every key with a simple tester, then reassemble, retension screws, and tidy cables while noting any changes in feel. Finally, tips include using factory lubes sparingly, avoiding over-tightening, and keeping a log of parts to speed future repairs.